Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to search songs in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using S26 Ultra and you want to search for a song, so let's see how we can do that. So you have two different ways from your home screen. You can search a song, or if you're playing a song, so you can also check that song title. So the very first, you have to keep a long press on your home button on your home screen, or in any app if you're using it, will open your Google Assistant. You just have to click on this song or this audio icon. Once you are here, you have to play or sing a song, and it will search it for you from Google. Or there's a second way, you just have to scroll on the control center, and here just click on this edit icon and click on add a control. Now once you are here, you must see songs that you just have to keep a long press on it, grab it to anywhere you want to put it. So let's say I'm gonna put it on my top section here, click on done. Now once you are here, if you are playing any song, you just have to click on this icon and it will search for that song on internet. For example, if you're listening a song in your TikTok or any other social media platform, so you just have to use this assistant over here or this feature over here, and after that you can easily find that song from your internet. So in this way you can easily search for a song in your S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.